None of this makes sense. They knocked planes out of the sky on Earth and created an army of children. There's something Bosch can tell us. I'm not risking my life.
Brenda, what are you doing?
I'm unrealistic. I'm better out there on my own. You know what's best for you? You'll do the same. This is great! Put your guns down.
You're an alien!
What are you talking about? Just sit your asses.
This is one of them.
Okay, just calm down, alright? I can see it. There's nothing inside me.
Shut up! Colby, what are we doing? Shoot
You're
it!
calling on me.
What's up, man?
Hey, put your guns down. Put your guns down. Don't shoot. There's not another. I'm glowing green, right? Yeah. Yeah, listen.